Good morning, my people. As you all know, this is Poultry Farms. As I always say, it's on my channel where you learn how to breed black soldier fly from eggs to maturity, and it's also on my channel where you learn new tips and tricks on how to breed them perfectly. Now, I want to check the weight of my broiler chicks. They are now 24 days old. I've done the video when they are 8 days and 16 days old. Now today, this morning, they are now 24 days old, and as I said before, I feed them on black soldier fly larva. So let's check the weight. So let's start with this. Yeah, what do we have? We have sorry. Yeah, we have 883 grams for that one. Now for this one, this is at least the smallest. We have 785 grams. Now for these ones, okay, we have 933 grams. Oops, come on. We have 947 grams at day 24. The last one, we have 936 grams at day 24. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do it by clicking on the subscription button and also the notification bell in order to notify you whenever I upload new videos. Please Poultry Farms. Stay blessed and God bless you.